Now, here's a little job that has made me quite a bit of money over the years. It's a blocked kitchen sink gully. Nasty, horrible, smelly things that a lot of people run a mile from. Now, I usually use a rubber plunger to do it, but if you haven't got one, then you could just wrap a polythene bag around an old mop and then you're ready to use the wonderful power of hydraulics to push that blockage around the U-bend. Just keep pumping vigorously, don't give up, and then look at it, lovely black ooze, stinking horrible mess coming out of your gully. Oh, I love these jobs. And that's it, just keep plunging, don't stop until you've got rid of all the water and all the little bits. You see all these little bits of solid stuff coming out now, that's the stuff in the bottom. And then once you've got rid of all that, the next thing to do is turn on the kitchen tap and start running some clear, cool, crystal water through that gully. Not quite drinkable, I must admit, but you can see the idea. It's getting clearer and clearer, and then you'll be back to a sweet smelling, free flowing gully. I'm Roger Bisbee. Come back and see me soon. I'll be giving away more plumbers trade secrets. I'm going to be on their hit list soon.
Any plumbers out there feel threatened by Roger's old mop with a carrier bag wrapped around it? I didn't think so. No, if you're going to kill Roger, there are better reasons, some of which you can discover by joining our mailing list.